it's a blessing to be here at Eat Good TV. Today we are making ketchup stewed chicken. These are all the ingredients we need for our ketchup chicken. Here's the ketchup. So we're gonna make, and this is all-purpose seasoning. And this all-purpose seasoning, you have garlic powder, onion powder, and all the powders in this all-purpose seasoning. Grate the onion. So I grated the onion and the garlic. And one onion. And just leave all the big piece that's left, that didn't grate it. Just leave it right here. So we are going to season up now. And make sure your counter is always clean, so if anything spill, you can always just take it up. So I'm gonna season up now. So we have our onion and scallion. I add some garlic powder and some onion powder, but you don't have to add it when you have Grace all-purpose, because everything comes in the all-purpose season. Then I'm gonna add some onion powder, garlic powder, and then the Grace all-purpose season. So my onion powder and garlic powder is mixed together in the bottle, and this is Grace all-purpose season. Very good, very delicious. And you can get it to buy in any of the local stores, local supermarket or grocery store, you'll find it. And this is the Grace ketchup as I'm using, Grace ketchup, to make the ketchup chicken. And then you season. And then you make it marinate. Overnight is best. You make it marinate overnight. And I'm adding the scallion. I just pound the scallion with the bottle. So if you hear me knocking, I'm just pounding the scallion. And I just put it in. You can add at least 4 scallion. This is 2. And just leave everything overnight to marinate, and it will be very delicious. Add 1 cup of ketchup to your chicken and let it marinate overnight. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover to marinate overnight. I place 1 tablespoon of oil in the pot. So now that the oil is hot, I'm just gonna put in the chicken. So you just place all the chicken in the pot to cook. I don't add any water on it as yet, and it's cooking for about 15 minutes. So I just let it cook. It is cooking and smelling up the place. Delicious, delicious, delicious. There you have it, your ketchup stew chicken. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.